How to fix hanging or crashing apps in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix crashing or hanging apps in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your CMD. So open up your CMD and here what you'll need to type is WS reset. After you type that, hit enter and it should open up your Microsoft Store. Just after it opens up your Microsoft Store, you can simply close that, and what you'll need to do here is you will need to simply search for your PowerShell. So search for PowerShell and there we go, there is Windows PowerShell. Open this up. Now on your Windows PowerShell, you will need to type in the following code. So this is the code right here. I'll be sure to provide it in the description down below. So just paste this code on your Windows PowerShell, hit enter and it will start downloading different stuff. After the download completes, you will need to open up your task manager and tap on run new task. Then here you will need to type in cmd.exe and then tap on OK. After you tap on OK, what you'll need to do is you will open up your command prompt. Just type in sfc/scan now. After you type in sfc space /scan now, your code will run and after that your problem will get fixed. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.